is Gordon. I'm a pharmacist. What is a pharmacist? I'm the guy that has a white lab coat that stands back there. I'm what you'd call a legal drug dealer. I'm the one your mom and dad came to see when you were sick. Remember they brought home that bottle of pink stuff, tasted like bubblegum, made you feel better by the next day? Back to school in a couple days? That was me. But the reason we're here today is because there's a new drug out called Sovaldi. There's actually going to be a cure for hepatitis C. Most patients up until this point could only treat their symptoms, but now we have a chance at a cure.
A pharmaceutical company is facing high demand for a new drug.
We're solving this problem because many people in this world are dying from hepatitis C every day.
Hepatitis C destroys the liver. It can cause cancer, or patients will need a liver transplant. This can run in excess of $500,000. The company that makes Sovaldi will make over $50 billion on that drug alone this year. 350,000 people each year die from hepatitis C. Insurance companies are scared that they're going to have to foot the bill for Sovaldi. California recently did a study and they found out if their Medicare and Medicaid services have to pay for Sovaldi, it will bankrupt the whole healthcare system in California. That means there will be no money left for any drugs in California except Sovaldi.
A biological engineer would make these pills because it would be more cost effective for people to buy.
A pharmaceutical engineer who'd work for Cardinal Health would help develop this drug. Also, chemists and biologists.
Guess how much one tablet of Sovaldi costs? $1,000. Patients have to take it for 12 weeks. That's about $84,000. If they were only to take it for 2 weeks, it would run about $14,000. If I were to give you $14,000, you could go out and buy a pretty nice car for high school. This drug is going to be sold in India for 99% off of what it costs in the United States. To put that in perspective, if you went to a Bengal football game and went to the concession stand and bought a bottle of water for $2, in India it would only cost you 2 cents. But that's not going to be the price here in the United States. In the 1950s, there was a disease called polio. Most of you have never heard of that. Do you know why? Because a researcher named Jonas Salk developed a vaccine for polio. The only thing people were more afraid of in the 1950s was the atomic bomb. Jonas Salk never patented the vaccine. He never intended to make any money off the vaccine. He just wanted a cure. Jonas Salk once said that to patent the polio vaccine is like to patent the sun. Sovaldi is one of those once-in-a-lifetime breakthrough drugs, but it needs to be available to everyone, not just the rich. It will wipe hepatitis C off the face of the earth, just like polio was wiped off 60 years ago. And who knows, in 60 years, there'll be students sitting in those same seats that will never heard of hepatitis C. That's because there's a new breakthrough drug called Sovaldi.
Sovaldi is the lifesaver.